Hey guys!
It's the puzzle couple.
We're back with a new puzzle. This one's going to be a nice, easy one because it's a little 350 art box. As you can see, it's kittens or cats or whatever you want to say. They all look pretty cute.
Yeah.
So it is by Crazy Arts. And, you know, these are the ones that you can get at like Dollar Tree or Dollar General or whatever.
I think it's Dollar Tree.
Dollar Tree. Probably Dollar General too, I would guess.
For $1.25.
Yeah.
Dollar Tree went up 25 cents, but I think there's some Dollar Trees that are like up to $5.
Are they? It might be, yeah.
And maybe they have even like more of a puzzle selection.
They might, yeah.
But these are fun. They're small.
They're small. They're cute. They're yeah, nice ones to you can usually get done in like a night.
The pieces tend to be.
Oh, she's gonna pull it out.
I am.
They got that taped good.
Oh my gosh, they got this taped really good.
Well, that must mean that all the pieces are here then.
See, the pieces tend to be very, very thin. But
yeah, they're not the best made. They usually won't like hold together too well.
They don't.
But sorry,
no, go ahead.
No,
they don't hold together very well, but they're they like see how colorful they are?
Yeah.
And the pieces are still nice.
Yeah,
they still have that nice
edge to them.
Edges.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
So this should be cool. This should be fun. Go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel of ours. You know, we're starting to get up into those hundreds. So,
100.
So go ahead and like and subscribe because we're blowing up. I tell you, just blowing up. Anyway. Okay. Anyhow, hopefully you guys are enjoying this, and we will talk to you at the end because we always kind of tell you what it was like. Give you a little, you know. Maybe we should start doing stuff in the center too. I don't know.
Yeah.
I'm not the best at cutting video, so
yeah, and we don't know how
get.
to talk. How do you talk between?
Yeah, that's a good question. I mean, there are some people that do really good at that, but I don't know. But anyhow.
Yeah. So, catch us at the end. We will give you more information on how this held up.
Yep.
Again, these puzzles, since they are on the cheaper side, they're still fun to do, but the pieces probably are not going to have that snap that you feel, and they probably are not going to hold together so well. I don't remember if Artbox has false fits. Do you?
I don't think so. I mean, they're usually pretty easy to kind of tell just because they're, you know, the colors aren't too crazy and they're only, you know, they're like 300 to 500 pieces, 300. They're like 300 to 500. Maybe you can even get like 100. I don't think we've ever done one of those.
You know what? I think Crazy Art has 1,000 piece.
But yeah,
have we seen those?
We've actually done a Crazy Art that has 1,000 pieces, I think.
Oh my gosh!
So, but you don't get them at of course, Dollar Tree.
No.
But I believe we have. But yeah, at Dollar Tree you can get them up to about 500 pieces, and I guess anywhere from like 100 piece to 500 piece. They also got children's puzzles, of course, there too. But anyhow, this one will be fun. It'll be easy to do, and we will talk to you on the other side. Bye.
Bye. Hey guys!
Hey!
Welcome back.
We did it.
We did
of
it.
course. I mean, this one took about an hour and 6 minutes. So not a whole lot of time, but it was fun.
Yeah, as you can see, Emery got it done very, very quickly, the little pieces. And when I realized, like, to the colors, because I was trying to do the cats first, and then I looked over and I saw that he was doing the colors with the cats. Then I realized, like, yeah, that would probably make it a little bit easier. So
yeah, find the colors, work around it, and then you can move on. I don't know if I was that much quicker. I really don't know. I think we did a great job. So
yeah, an hour. That's
not bad.
That's
for
not
a 350
bad for us.
piece for us. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we enjoyed it. It was fun. It was nice and easy. Nothing stressful. You know, we got it done in a day.
Yeah. So if you do really small puzzles too, you know, like anywhere between, well, I don't know what is the difference, because I know some people who do like 100 and then they go up. So how quickly can you do, you know, a 350 piece puzzle or 200
or whatever?
Or whatever. Yeah.
Tell us your fastest time if you'd like.
For the small puzzles, not the 1,000 puzzles.
Well, you can tell us that too.
Yeah.
But yeah. For like the smaller ones, how fast are you guys?
Yeah.
Not that that matters. It really doesn't. I mean, timing is.
Yeah, because it's just about having fun.
Exactly.
So.
Exactly.
But yeah, so we did it.
We did it, and we're gonna be going off to the next one.
Oh my gosh, the next one.
Yeah. The next one's going to be kind of cool. So we will talk to you then. Come back, like and subscribe, and we will
catch you on the other side.
Yep. Bye.
Bye.